In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make upwards of $300, $400, $500, $1,000 a day with Fiverr. And I know that sounds crazy, but I actually have the proof to back it up. First, I'm going to go over the method. I'm going to explain it a little bit to you, and it's not what you think. It's not grinding it out doing $5 gigs where you have to do 20 of them to make $100. It's nothing like that. You can make up to $100 off of one single gig. Let me explain how it works. Now, everybody has an affiliate program, and Fiverr is no different. Most people don't know this about Fiverr, but they have a very, very awesome affiliate program. As you can see here, we're on fiverr.com, and if you scroll to the bottom here, you can sign up for the affiliate program right here. Go ahead, head over there, sign up for it, and this is the back office, right? So as you can see, Fiverr affiliates, excuse me, Fiverr affiliates, and these are the amounts that you're going to get paid. These are the different gigs and the amounts. Now, I know that doesn't make a whole lot of sense right now, but we'll get into it. So if you make, or if you suggest a whiteboard or explainer video, you're going to get $50, right? If you suggest a creative writing piece, you're going to get $25, right? So what does that exactly mean, right? Well, if you're not familiar with Fiverr, people pay to have certain gigs done for them, right? So let's say you don't know how to make a logo for your website, right? You come over to Fiverr, somebody can make you your logo. It started out with $5 per gig, and now it's different prices based on whatever, right? So, what am I talking about when I say $300, $400, $500 a day, right? So, basically what this guy is doing is he's promoting the affiliate program, and he's making these $50 commissions, right? So, I go to a internet forum called Black Hat World, right? And this guy here, William702, made a post, and he says, Fiverr just bought me a 40-acre ranch. So he was able to buy a 40-acre ranch from doing this method, this exact method that I'm going to show you step by step. And he bought it, and it's in northern Arizona right here. So I'm going to go over some of the different things that he posted in this thread. As you can see, there's 8+ pages right here. So one of the things that he says is that basically what he's doing is he's referring people to their affiliate program. So he didn't really have to do anything other than place a few links and some threads that he started elsewhere. So he went onto some forums and he posted some gigs for Fiverr, and that's pretty much what he did. Very, very simple. This guy's not grinding it out. He's not doing gig after gig after gig after gig. He is doing gigs, and I'll explain that here in this next one right here. So this is where I come up with this number. I didn't just pull it out of thin air. There's an actual number here. And this is what he's saying. If you direct traffic to a specific gig, namely one that you control and can offer a good service for a cheap price, it really helps to generate about a dozen sales a day. The average earnings I'm getting from the affiliate program have been about $320 a day over the last 30 days. So basically what he is doing is he's referring people to a gig that he actually does. And because he refers it to them, he gets the affiliate commission as well as them paying for the gig itself. So he's double dipping off the same thing, right? So how can you do this too, right? So if you look here, I'm going to show you the method. I'm going to show it to you point blank. This is what I would do. So you got e-commerce right here, right? And it pays out $50 commission for everybody that does e-commerce, right? So if you do a search for e-commerce, which is what I did right here, I'll do it again. You have a gig right here that is about photoshopping. I will Photoshop your product for e-commerce, right? So basically what he's doing is, you can see here, the sneakers have one background and he's making it have a snazzier background. And this one has got a gray background, this one has a white. Very, very simple to do in Photoshop. Just about anybody can do that. This guy's offering this gig for simple $5. But if you refer somebody to this gig, you're getting $50, right? So what I would do is I would make a gig myself, and I would offer this exact service, right? I would charge them $5. I would take this gig and I would basically copy it. I would, not word for word, but I would make it this whole thing look just the same, very similar. I would emulate this gig right here. I have my own gig, right? And then what I would do is I would go to different forums and Facebook groups and promote it, right? So I went to Facebook and I just put Shopify, and you have endless amounts of groups with thousands upon thousands of members in here. So you got Ecom Ninjas, they got 89,000. You got Shopify Newbies, they got 89,000. Drop shipping, you got 59,000. All these group members, Shopify is so hot right now. They all are looking to make it, strike it rich. Now you can be the guy selling, you could be the guy looking for the gold, or you could be the guy selling the shovels. Now personally, I would rather be the guy selling the shovels, right? So Shopify Newbies, this whole group, 89,000 people, are a bunch of people that don't know what they're doing. So they could probably use help making their pictures look great. So what I would do is I join every single one of these groups right here and start posting in there saying, hey, I can help you with that. Here's the gig. And then you just link your gig, and everybody that purchases your gig, you're going to get $50 from Fiverr, and you're going to get $5 for the gig. Now, why is Fiverr doing this, right? Well, Fiverr's doing this because they know that if they get somebody that's interested in e-commerce on their platform and they pay $50 to you, it's worth it for them, because they know that this person is going to continually buy different gigs from their platform, and they're going to make a lot more money than what they promoted for you. So it's really worth it to Fiverr for whiteboard and explainer videos to pay you $50 to get somebody onto their website. So that's how I would do it. That's real easy. Like I said, there's just tons of people here that are just screaming for help, and you offer them a $5 service, real cheap. You're going to get $55 each and every single time. It only takes you 2 sales to get over that $100 a day hump, and you're off to the races. After $100 a day, you're making a really good income online. If you like this, you like videos like this, give me a like, give me a subscribe. If you have any questions about this, post it down below. I'll be happy to answer anything, and I'll see you guys in the next video.